Do you want to make your own socket or you're having trouble with your socket so you want to make a new one? Don't go anywhere. Stay right here. In some few minutes, we are going to learn how to make your own socket.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Home Tech. Please, if this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, please press the subscribe button, then after press the notification button so that anytime we release a new video, you will receive a notification to watch. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a socket or an extension board. So we have here our socket box. This is the socket itself. Then this is our 3-pin plug, and we have our 3-core cable or 3-core flexible wire. It's 3 in 1. So as you can see, this is called 3-core flexible wire or flexible cable. This is called live, neutral, and this is earth. This is the socket, as you can see. This is the socket. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we take this off. Then it comes with screws. Then you need your screw sets. And we have our a knife or anything to help you pull the wire. We have to find a way to make a hole through this so that we can put the wire or place the wire into it. So anything that you can use to make hole. So with this, in this video, I would like to use this screwdriver. I don't know what you have in the house that you can use to do it. So what we need to do at this moment is to find a way to widen the hole or make it large so that we can this cable can pass through. So all right. So here we are. We have it. We have it here. So what do? We find a way to do so that the cable can't come out again. Here, this cable. The next thing is to peel these wires. Look, like this. Like this. There you go. So as I said, this is the neutral, this is the earth, this is the light. Every socket has three O's. It also has the life here. So you see the letter L, L for life. Then you see the earth design, the earth design. Then you see the neutral here. But then they are not always positioned the same, depending on the type of socket that you are using. They are not always positioned at the same place. So we have our neutral here, we have our life here, we have our earth here. Place the earth wire into it like this. And we screw it. Then we have our life wire also here. So this life wire here. Then we have our neutral down here. So this neutral here. So we are good. So then we are done. Just have to plug in the socket and close it. As you can see, this. So I'm now left with your glove. So take your glove like this. This is the main screw. Like this. So this also has the life represented by the letter L. Then we have the neutral represented by the letter N. Then we have the H. So the S is here, the life is here, the neutral is here. Here we are. The life wire here, your H here, your neutral here. So we are done. You just put the cover back. We are all good. Like this. We are good. Let's see if it works. Everything. Turn it on. So I mean it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching Basic Home Tech. In the next video we are going to learn how to make multi socket, that is multiples of these. So stay tuned.